Will ZESA find a comprehensive short-term solution for the power challenge? That has been the question from citizens and the industry as load shedding bites. And how fast can the power company move from one project to the other? Mira Nsingo compiled the following report.
The Zimbabwe Power Company says the synchronization process of Hwange Unit 7 is still ongoing to ensure maximum capacity. At full throttle, it generates 300 megawatts. The situation has not been made better by the fact that some units at the country's biggest power station are down. Reduced power generation at Kariba as a result of low water levels has meant more load shedding for a country that requires around 1,800 megawatts. Despite the deficit, ZESA Executive Board Chairperson Dr. Sydney Gata believes all refurbishments has to be thorough.
These are steps, a number of 30 or 32 technical steps that are taken to improve the success of the construction and design. The step that is called synchronization occurs roughly about 2 months.
About 618 kilometers from Hwange, Mai Tekla in Highfield is pinning her hopes on the success of these refurbishments and new projects in the pipeline. In the face of prolonged power cuts, it is a struggle to survive for the mother of three.
To mafiri generation munogara musina kana chekuti tinoita se tinokwanisawo kutengesa taimbototi mafiriji aine chando totsvaga tumachikeni tocheka tumachikeni pieces tichipeka maplastic tichikwanisa kutengesa kuti tiwane mari yekuraramisawo mhuri.
God knows Mawire, a welder, says the power cuts have almost crippled his business. The use of alternative power sources has increased his operating costs. He prays for the government to find a lasting solution in the short term. These people in Harare's high-density areas are not alone in this struggle. The Southern African region has also not been spared. South Africa has also been battling load shedding, while Zambia has until recently increased capacity. Zimbabwe is importing a part of its power requirements from those same two countries, with the region expected to experience a deficit of more than 11,000 megawatts by 2025. Zimbabwe may need to plan ahead.
On average, a total commissioning program will take a minimum of 3 months. After tests that are done offload, we then have to do the last set of tests which are done on load. And synchronization is a procedure that links the power station's dynamics to the dynamics of the system. Generally, the commissioning of the coal-fired power plant is a very complex procedure.
It's a big challenge, one that requires long-term solutions. The recent 1,000 megawatts solar project proposed for the Zimbabwe Power Company by a Chinese company set for Kariba is one of those. What will be important is immediate action and implementation.
Now, as of today, power production at Hwange has significantly increased, with the power plant producing 709 megawatts. Kariba Power Station, with a total generation capacity of 1,050 megawatts, is producing 350 megawatts. Minyati is currently producing 10 megawatts, with its maximum production capacity pegged at 120 megawatts. The Bulawayo station has a capacity of 90 megawatts, but has, of the latest updates, has been producing no power, as well as Harare, which has a full production capacity of 60 megawatts.